In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram to Stan Store. Connecting your Instagram to your Stan Store is a simple way to make your brand feel more complete and to help visitors find and follow you on social media. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly, so you can follow along on your own screen as you watch or listen. First, go ahead and log in to your Stan Store account using your usual login details. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of your dashboard. You should see a menu panel there. In that panel, find the option labeled My Store and click on it. This section is where you manage how your storefront looks and feels to your visitors. After you click My Store, you'll see a preview of your store, including your header at the top of the page. In that header area, look for a small pencil icon next to your display name. That pencil icon is the edit button. Click on the pencil and this will open up the editor where you can customize your store details. Inside the editor, scroll or look around until you find the section labeled Social Links URL. This is where you can add all of your social media profiles, and the very first field you'll see is for Instagram. The platform keeps it simple by just asking for your Instagram username here, not the full link. Click into that Instagram field and type your Instagram username carefully. Make sure you spell it exactly the way it appears on your Instagram account, without extra spaces. As you type, take a look at the preview panel on the right side of the screen. You should see an Instagram logo appear in your store header or social section. This real-time preview is a great way to confirm that the connection is being set up correctly. If you don't see the logo right away, double check that you're in the Instagram field and that your username is entered correctly. Sometimes a quick refresh of the preview area or retyping the username can help. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's important to save your changes. Look down to the bottom right corner of the editor and click the Save button. Give it a moment to process. After it's saved, your Instagram icon and link will be live on your Stan Store, ready for visitors to click and follow you.